How to delete Instagram chat in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Instagram chat in iPhone. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete Instagram chat in iPhone, simply go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, tap on the chat icon at the top right corner and head into chat. Once on the chat, what you can do is you can simply tap and swipe to the right here, and you can see the three dots option. So you can tap on three dots there and you can see the delete icon right there. So this way you'll be able to delete whole chat. Now if you simply want to delete a particular chat, then you can simply open up a chat, right? Instead of this, you can simply open up chat and then tap and hold on the particular text that you wish to delete, and you'll get the option to either delete for yourself or unsend for everyone. So this is how you can delete chat on iPhone, the Instagram chat. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.